As we grow into our teen years, the chance we will use alcohol grows. We spend less time with our parents and more time alone or with our friends. We worry about our friendships, and our desire for adventure and excitement increases. That's why many of us want to take more chances, try new things, and be more independent. And though all these things are a normal part of growing up, these changes can increase the chance that some of us may turn to alcohol before the legal drinking age of 21. Did you know drinking underage is commonly done at home? Nationally, 30% of teens between 13 and 14 years old last used alcohol in their own homes. And more than 60% of 16 and 17-year-olds that drink used alcohol in someone else's home. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with us hanging out at our own home or at our friend's home, but when we become curious about drinking alcohol and the home was available to us, the potential to make poor choices about drinking increases. Did you know that each year approximately 5,000 people under the age of 21 die as a result of underage drinking? This includes about 1,900 deaths from motor vehicle crashes, 1,600 as a result of homicides, 300 from suicide, and hundreds more from other injuries such as falls, burns, and drowning, all attributed to drinking alcohol. Here in Colorado, over 72% of high school students aged 15 to 18 said they have experienced drinking. In fact, nationally, 2 out of 3 teens aged 13 to 18 said it's easy to get alcohol in their own home, without their parents knowing. The truth is that underage drinking is often made possible by adults. After all, we can't legally get alcohol on our own. Therefore, it's an adult's responsibility to prevent underage drinking, especially in your own home. While it's important to allow us to do things on our own and take more responsibility for ourselves, it's also important to recognize that we still look to adults for guidance. You have more influence on our values and decisions about drinking than you may realize, and your own actions are the most powerful example. Parents and guardians, to prevent underage drinking in your home, realize that our perceptions of parental disapproval, dishonesty, and harm to our health are far more powerful deterrents to drinking than legal restrictions alone. Make sure your teens know what the law is, and what you expect from them. Be sure your teens understand the rules are maintained at all times, and they hold true even at other people's houses. Limit the amount of time your teen spends unsupervised. Know where your teens are, and get acquainted with their friends. Reducing access to alcohol is important. Have an alcohol-free home. The simplest way to prevent us from accessing alcohol is to not store it in the home. Prevent underage drinking. It's an adult responsibility. Do your part.